Hello everyone. Today, one of my friend gave me a tip about getting up to 70% discount on Amazon. I decided to share the tip with you and click the link in the video description and you will able to get into the Amazon clearance sale page. Mostly the Amazon basic products listed in there and you will able to get up to 70% discount on each product. You can get this discount more than 15,000 products including electronics, home appliances, clothing and footwear. As it is Amazon basic products, you don't need to worry about the product quality. So check out today and hope you like this video. If you want more tips like this, please let me know in the comments. And if you like this video, do me a favor, hit the like and subscribe button and we'll see you in the next one.